Hey guys, so after travelling over 200 miles, collapsing in a heap, and then enjoying a lovely sunrise and some fresh milk straight from the cow, we are now officially in Cornwall. This place is beautiful. So this is where we're staying. Are you guys ready for the tour? There's our kitchen. There's the living room. There's the bedroom. And that balcony, oh my god, just looking out at the fields, the rolling fields, absolutely gorgeous. Hey Ruby! Hello? Ruby, what you doing? You having lots of cuddles? Kaylee's nice and settled in, she's come with us, so she's relaxed more. It took her a little while to settle because she's never been out of our room since we've got her, but she's relaxed now. So now it's a new day and we're ready to rumble, so we'll see you guys when we get to our next place. We're walking down to Port Isaac. We found a car park which is just 7 minutes walk from the main village. Port Isaac is a small fishing village on the north coast of Cornwall. With its narrow sloping streets and traditional Cornish houses, it's a beautiful village to explore. That is the cutest doorstop.
This is what they call a Kelly whip. It's whipped Cornish ice cream. It's the nicest ice cream I think I've ever tried.
Is it actually?
It is so creamy.
It's almost like Devon knows that they make it so creamy. Oh my god. That's like a Mr. Whippy made with butter almost. I'm scared about the calories. I'm glad we got one to share.
It's impossible, isn't it?
It's like a cake. You fancying a pasty too?
You shouldn't eat any more food. Should we start our pasty rampage?
Yeah, let's get the Cornish pasty. The Tick now has the Cornish pasty. It's got a steak one.
I ate the corner bit, it's very thick. Tastes like potato.
Is it?
Yeah, and there's no steak in there, but it's delicious.
In the Golden Line and we're just chilling and having a nice beverage. Since COVID, obviously you've got to like book a slot. Hopefully we can get outside where there's a nice view there as well. There's a few people ahead of us.
Oh, it's delicious. It reminds me of a traditional scrumpy. You know, it's really sweet.
Yeah, much more gentle anyway.
More gentle, but at the same time it's still carbonated. It's delicious.
So you can't get better than that, can you? Amazing view and a nice glass of Cornish cider. God, it's so refreshing. It could get you in trouble. A seagull predator here, on a mission to get our pasty. Got what we've got too?
We have a Mediterranean Cornish pasty from Carl Bakery.
These Cornish pasties, you have to be careful because they're very soft in the middle. It's so nice. It's like a pizza in a pasty. Tomatoes, leeks, everything veggie you could want.
How nice is that? Oh, lovely.
This is the perfect place to chill and enjoy a nice Cornish pastie. Stop en route because this looks so pretty. I've caused a bit of a stir with these cows parking right here. They're like, what are you doing?
Definitely giving me the eye.
So cute, aren't you? There's a lot of them.
Hello, sausage. A lovely little nose. And all of you are there. Look at you little. Oh, I haven't got any food. Doing it right with some Prosecco and a gorgeous view.
It's laughing at me. You just can't. You can't. You can't. No, this is just so. This is so nice and relaxing. I'm just chilling out. Looks like we should have some guests here, but they haven't arrived. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Lads, come on. That is one amazing view. I could literally spend so much time here and just drink in the wonderful view because it's absolutely gorgeous. This Prosecco is probably going to my head now, so I'm going to stop recording and being tipsy and, well, I'll continue being tipsy, but not on camera. And I'll see you guys a little bit later on.
These leaves are blowing. Don't know if you can hear it on camera, but
I've left the beautiful sunset out there. Oh guys, it's just divine.
look at that now. Oh my god, gorgeous.
To cook the fry up this morning, so it's my turn to cook the dinner. Don't know if that'd be possible. So it's going to be these mixed baby tomatoes, some these sweet mini peppers, pesto, green pesto, some olives, and then we're going to use some gluten-free tagliatelle. Basically a simple pasta dish, but whoopity 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 whoop. We have the olives and everything on.
Bon appetit. I think it's quite nice considering I'm drunk. Okay, bear that in mind. Good?
He has to say that he paid £5 an hour.
It's delicious.
Sun setting on another day.